Welcome back to Fuji Power Scale. In this video, we'll be comparing Reze with Power from Chainsaw Man. Let's begin. In the second season of Chainsaw Man, we'll get to know a very lovely girl named Reze. Don't get distracted by her looks, as she is very strong in her base form. Power at the beginning of the anime's first season would have a very hard battle with Reze, mainly due to Power's lack of battle experience. Reze, while controlled by Makima, is a bit stronger, but that's because it happened way later in the story. Also the fight with Makima, where Reze gives her all to win. Power, after training with Kishibe, is finally stronger than Reze, but that's only until Reze uses her transformation. Even though Power in her Blood Devil form is more powerful than Reze, I would hesitate to call Power stronger. For the biggest part of the story, Power doesn't stand a chance in a battle with Reze. Power is not capable of transforming on her demand, in the opposite to Reze, and that convinced me to say that Reze is stronger. Is there anyone who would you like me to compare in the next video? Type the names in the comments, but in the meantime, consider checking out my other power scaling videos. Bye for now.